gang? Oh man, it seems that shit starts popping off right when I get busy. Get busy. What's the deal? Straight cheese. Chat. Drop a like. Sub to the channel. Drop a like if you're enjoying the stream so far. All right. Yeah, we got enough in here in the first few minutes. I didn't even have to say much. Damn, over 300 in here. So let's do a little break. Dizzy. We are bullish. Look at this weekly. We've reached resistance on the weekly, but the overall level is much higher. I think around 2040 on the weekly. Daily closed bullish with range to fill, top wick, and range till 2021 here. Before we could see our next rejection, the 4-hour also closed bullish, found a support. Now this 4 hours driving up, so we are pretty bullish on all the higher time frames. The 1 hour, all right, so it's a nice closure on the 1 hour. Let's see. So this is so I believe this is where we are on the 1 hour. This is the drives we are mirroring at the moment. Oh yeah. Strong resistance here. The overall though would be higher. Okay. So we are bullish here. I'm expecting us to get to 2021. It's possible we can reject here at 2018.5, but it won't. This rejection is going to be short-lived. All right, so we might come back down here, but overall, I think we need to tap 2021 before making any kind of decision. So let's see how we can take advantage of driving up to 2021. If the 4-hour here closes above 2018.5, I'll be off the rip. I'll be off the rip for buys anywhere above 2018.554 off the 4-hour close. If it does not, we'll play this range. We'll see if the market can reject here, find a support, and off that support, we'll take buys up to 2018, 2021. It's pretty basic today, not too difficult. Not a very difficult read, as the higher time frames are all pretty much in the same direction, right? It's gonna be our job here to pick up on when the high volume candle is, when the drive is coming. All right, but we are bullish. I'm looking for some kind of rejection here and a support to be found. or for us to just drive straight through. I think honestly, I might have been in off the rip, off the 1 hour close here. I probably would have been break even already once we made this top wick, but I think this was a pretty good entry here off the rip because you're just driving into that level with a lot of momentum. So from hold on a second, chat. Kids are in here. Yes, ladies, how can I help you? They just ran in here like the fucking Sopranos. Like, hey, Pops, yo, we just took care of that. We threw out the garbage, you know, we took out the trash like you wanted us to. He's gone, you know. I'm like, yo, what kind of gang are you guys in? Hey, yo, Pops, we took that out, and she did that, and then we did, like, like, damn, what, you need the next mission now? It's crazy. Yeah, little mafia. Isn't that what mafia stands for? My family or something like that? Waiting on you. Where they're over here like this. Wix, fix your neon light. We figured it out. It's the power source. It overheats and then it shuts off. But they don't sell the power source separately, so I got to go into Walmart, open one of the boxes, and just take a power source. And I ain't bringing back the keyboard. There's a Walmart register out there somewhere with no keyboard. When I get my fund to withdraw, I'm joining Wix's table. Ain't that serious? Oh, yeah. Let's see what could happen. Let's see. Oh, you know what I haven't even opened yet? Annotations. By the way, what's up, Zoom gang? Everything all right with your broker now? Did they solve the problem? No, so they closed the trade an hour after I pressed close. And I've messaged them, and they said they're looking into it. I sent them an email this morning during the New York session stream. They said they're looking into it. Can barely hear your mic? No way. Really? Hold on, chat. Hold on. How about now? Better? Can you hear now? Is that the same guy from downstream? I get it, you're the mic troll. Like, everyone has something that they're known for, right? Like, Farzo just has diarrhea of the mouth sometimes. He forgets to take his meds. Like, Green is the mod god, right? You, sir, are the mic problem guy. Still baffled by how Farzo is a mod. I don't think he's a mod here. A mod on downstream. Gotta be here way longer. Nephew, what's the deal? Tell Uncle I said what up. Green sleeping? Hold on, let me wake him up. You know what's this is his call. He's gonna be right here. Hold on. Where is he?
It's because I'm green, isn't it?
How do I get my chart to look like that? In what sense? This will be interesting if the 4-hour flips now and closes below range. It'll be basically a repeat of this morning, but we'll look for a top wick, right? Because if we come back and close back within range, that's our fake out. And if that's on the 4-hour, highly likely at least the next hour 30 or 15 run drives down. Especially after we've tapped the highs here and flip bearish. So if this is the case, then so I talk to people that are from other countries. This is like, motherfucker, I speak English the same way you do. Just because I live in Britain. Talking to people slow as shit when they're from another country. But it's offensive too, right? But if this is the case, right, and if we end up closing like this, as soon as the next 4-hour opens up here and does this, we'll be in at this area. There's that wick, a bit of a quicker wick, and this will be our move. Yo, why don't you fucking print? Drop some shampoo. To be fair, a lot of Americans couldn't understand my Aussie accent. Yeah. Well, a lot of Americans aren't really from here. All right, what did Jerry say? H2, close what time, depending on your broker. In an hour or two. Oh, whoops. Almost got copywritten on that one. You're gonna wait for the 4-hour close? No, and yes, I'm gonna wait on the 30 here. About 3 more minutes. I'm sorry, 3 more minutes. About 8 more minutes. Because actually 8 minutes on the dot. Because if we close like this now on this 30, this is a fake out on the 30. So I want to see how we close, how strongly bearish we close. But really, from the way this hourly is printing right now, yeah, we're most likely going to need to wait on the 4-hour close. Or on this hourly close, which is also the 4-hour close. How much call time will end in H4? We have any translators here? Any diplomats? Any politicians here that can make sense out of that statement? Politician can make sense out of anything. Any politicians in here? Can somebody explain what that meant? How much call time will end in H4? About 4 rainbows. Does that answer your question? Does that guy even England word? How can I join Diva's Zoom calls? You got to join on the YouTube. Just say yes. That's what I usually do. Yes. About 37 donuts. Word. You guys are the best. Really make this stream worthwhile. Like I hold up my end of the bargain, and you guys hold up your end of the bargain every night. I love it. You have no friends? Perfect. You're well on your way. It's like step 2 out of like 1,000 steps of being a professional trader. Santa has the answer to that. To what? I need friends or what? Dear Santa, this Christmas, I wish you could bring me some friends. But not for a long time, because I'm an introvert. So if you can take them the hell out of my life about somewhere around New Year's, that'd be great. Thank you, Santa. I promise I'll be good. Hey, welcome to the clubhouse, Pose Trades. You can now join the Zoom, but you can't join the private session, just in case you made that's what you're looking for. The private session is Wix's table. Make enough money and you'll have more than you wanted. Yes. Yes. Why do I hear people whistling? Oh, it's my TV. It's a Corona commercial. Hi Wix, I'm bot. I've never had a bot introduce themselves to me, but sure. And just in the start in trading, how can I understand strategies about take knowledge and indicators and how to read the charts? Just keep showing up. That's how you learn. Private session, you got to join Wix's table. You watching the Bears Viking games? Yes. Oh, is that how you? That's how you know what commercial is on? Hold on a second, chat. Hold on. What'd you eat for dinner tonight? I had some for dinner. You ever had that for dinner? Wix is like, fuck, I need Jerry on my team for... What? What's a Jerry? I take a Jeffrey. Everybody likes a Jeffrey. I don't know about no Jerry. Yeah.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
What is Wix's table? It's a table where Wix sits. Thinking of getting into the space? Well, you're here. Now stay here. Stick around. I think my cat speaks Spanish. No. No, your cat doesn't speak Spanish. But you do need to give me the number to your dealer. DM me. Does he even trade? It's not even a trading stream, bro. You see that record, the stream record where it says 67, 17, and 33? Yeah, those are not trades. Those are the amount of joints we're able to smoke per stream. And every time we don't finish one, it's a loss. The Stegosaurus pattern, I've seen that. Let's see if we can smoke joint number 68 today. Only reason I'm here, joint stream. Can you do the FX Alex G challenge? I have no idea what the fuck you guys are. So I get this right. You are not trading on stream. It's crazy. It's like No, we fucking teach you how to set up your own catheter in here, right? This is a catheter setup show. What does he show his trade locker? uh, Chat, you guys need to listen and pay attention. Okay, no. I'm sorry, chat. No, the select few here that are, you know, whose presence is reflecting negatively on chat. This is a trading stream, an educational stream. This is where I provide you the insight to my, I guess my thinking, the way my thoughts flow in my head when I'm breaking down the charts, right? And if I'm taking a position, you guys see it taken live on stream. Right? Like, this isn't our first rodeo, chat. Like, we've been doing this for years. Like, what the hell? What is the flex room? It's the room where you can just show support and not get any extra benefits. It's like those people that, you know, do things that are nice for other people, right? But don't really need the credit and they don't need to videotape it. They just do it. So that's who the flex room is for. It's for people that want to show support but don't need all the, you know, hoopla. Just you do it because you can. Is it a tough transition from New York City to Florida? Why does it look like it's difficult for me? No, it's a tough transition getting out of Florida back to South Philly. That's what's tough. Tough part is coming here and knowing you got to go back. The easy part is not buying a return ticket. This 30 closed. 30 closed. This is nice. This is a nice closure on the 30. One hour bearish. So yeah, ideally we close below 2014,444 on the hourly if we are bearish, but we might not be bearish. We might hold support here, right? We might have a 15 actually close bullish here, and the next 15 give us a bottom wick and close bullish again. At that point, we will be looking for buys, right? Because if we get wicks to the bottom side, but continuous closures, bullish closures, right? If we get this. Right, and then either this, like all you see these wicks coming down but still closing above here, it would be great. Even if we get a bearish candle instead of this bullish one, right? Even if we get something like this, but staying above this area, then I'll be pretty confident in taking buys on the next 4 hour, as it will close the 4 hour bullish above the range, and then we'll be looking to fill the wick up. So we'll see how this prints. We will see how this prints, chat. Let me tell you though, the money is already printed. You just got to go get it. Charts need to print, right? But the money's already printed. It's on you to go get it. Oh, hold on. Give me 1 sec, chat. How was Thanksgiving? It was itis inducing. I've been killing the chat. This is our last week of November. Think about that. And then it's the last month of the year. We are only 3 sessions away from last month of 2024. The last month of quarter 4. I'm sorry, 2023. Last month of quarter 4. And then bring on 2024. Why is she going faster and faster? Because you're older. You're getting older. Been my best week in 3 months. Honestly, we had our best months in Asian came from February to April because we went undefeated for over 2 months. We didn't have a loss. And right now, chat, by the way, our last loss was October 17th. Uh-oh, something fell. Hold on, chat. Yeah, they don't want to listen. I just told the kids I'm putting them up on eBay if I hear one more noise. Oh. I'm logging into eBay right now. I know Cam Harris. Mess with me. He on Amazon now. True. 79.8% win rate. OML. Wait, you got a 79% win rate? That's good. It's a really good win rate. Oh, me? That's pretty good. I guess that's pretty good. Okay, okay. I got you. Flipping it right now. Any evidence of cells? I mean, yeah, somewhere in my history there's evidence of cells. At the moment, that's a negative, sir. Never trading gold again. Okay. Never feeding my fish again. Wix, do you trade Forex? No, I specialize in the ancient craft of not giving a fuck. That's it. He's doing the spam thing again. You guys are funny. Your camera always been this sharp? Yes. Or have I been on 140p this whole time? Actually, that's the same thing. Those are both the same option. It's always been this sharp while you have been on 140p the whole time. Just, you need to come up with a different or. 22nd, 15 close. Yeah, but it's the last 15 of this 4 hour. We're going to wait on this 4 hour close. I want to see how strongly bullish it closes, or how bullish it closes. How's your day, my guy? What up, Toby? It's doing, my day is daying. It's going well. These are golden fib levels. We are heading down to a strong point. Are you in Don's swing? No. Recently, there have been more candles that don't have bottom wicks that drove up. Is it because of the current market cycle? I mean, more candles maybe on the smaller time frame because of massive volume. So you're seeing liquidity grabs on the higher time frame, but they're just driving on the small time frame. But I wouldn't even say that's the case, because like, let's go to the small time frame here. Like, there's wicks everywhere, pretty much. It's the same. Yeah, ratio. Just you're just noticing them more because I think for some reason you're looking for them more, which means that what we're talking about night in and night out is sticking in your head, right? Like if you're paying attention, right? If you're starting to understand candles, you'll pay attention to the way they close and open more often. Only been trading 4 or 5 years. What's the trading plan? Sells below, buys above. Sure, if that's your plan, great. I went over my plan a little bit earlier. If you want to rewind, you can. Why do you trade Asian session? Why not? Why do you trade the Asian session? Did you want to test your broker out before they do it? I will. You know what? Before I enter a trade today, I'll open a 0.01 lot just in case to see if it's working. Would you say that the first 3 years were rough? Yes. When did you find consistency? Year 2. Ooh, you guys are really in the spirits today. You got the spirits all over you. You guys are covered in spirit. W spirits. Oh, fuck. Being spiritual, though, doesn't mean you're always positive, chat, right? So fuck out of my face while I balance these energies, yo. Your theme music makes me sleepy. Imagine having some oxtail and then doing this shit. How did you get that dark blue background? Just in a dark room with the computer reflecting off my lizard tank is reflecting off the walls, if that's what you're asking. Yeah, it's just lizard tank reflect. Oh yeah, my desk has like underglow, like a fucking sports car. My fucking desk looks like a 1998 Mitsubishi Eclipse with underglow. That's how you get that fucking effect on the wall. Sports desk. Race desk. You guys got racing chairs? I get racing desks. How'd you get that hair? Chia. I'm a chia pet. Possible positions after 4-hour close. Either we close bearish in range, either we close extremely bullish and we'll take buys off the rip, or we'll wait to see how the next hourly or 4-hour start playing out. Because right now we've rejected on this hourly, right? So we're basically printed a resistance, or I mean printed a bearish candle at resistance. But we also didn't break back into the previous range, so we're respecting support. See, two candles printing side by side here, where it's a range on a smaller time frame. So I need more. I need more. The dark blue background on TradingView. You wearing glasses? This shit is not dark blue, it's black. It's your screen, it's your monitor. No, let's figure it. Shit, let's figure this out. Everybody, what does everyone think it is? Because the background is definitely black, 100% black. Definitely black. I was about to say it in Spanish, but then no, never mind. Giorni. It's black. It's actually dark blue when I compare it with my Windows taskbar color. No, it's black. Your Windows taskbar is off black. But they're not blue. It's like, I don't know, it looks, because I'm looking at the stream on one of the screens and I can see that it, like on my screen, it's black. It's blacker than Michael Blackson word. This shit looks like under the bed. This is my settings. How did you get the thickness on the horizontal green? No, no, no. You're gonna use the correct wording here, Mohammed. All right, Mr. Hassan. We don't use the word thickness around here, all right? It's girth. How did you get the girth on the horizontal green line on your trading view? Okay. So, what I did was I first draw a line, boom, and then I take a little rectangle and I draw it over it. And that's how I get it. Girthy ass, mom. Filthy McGirthy. Can I win? Yeah, move. Can move. Yo, TT, what's the deal? I showed up on your stream this morning and I dropped a like, but I didn't want to say anything because every time I say something, like your stream goes like sideways for 15 minutes into Wix mode. Like, oh, Wix is here. Wix is here. What's up? Like, yo, this is gonna interrupt the stream. I want it to be like, what up? But then I just like drop a like and I left. Yeah, I show up, I drop likes. Both of them. You know, I didn't realize that for a little while that you're in Florida. He's on the West Coast though, chat. He's about TT is about like 3.5 hours away from me. Yeah, I just realized that like 2 days ago. I think I was on your IG or something. I was like, yo, this shit is in Tampa, right? Something like that. Do you have tips for someone who hesitates when it comes to taking profit? Get out of your own way. Where in Florida are you from? Right near the beach, boy! Florida took Wicks and Nick from. Hold on, Nick's from New York too, right? Trying to get green eye. Yeah. Get him on this side of Florida, not on that side. From Miami-Dade, Broward County? Yes, me too. Yeah. Zoom packed out today. Yeah, we need to see something moving, chat. We need to start breaking previous candle highs or lows, and until these things happen, we have no positions here. The 4-hour is going to close bullish. If the 4-hour can open with a bottom wick here initially, right, and break the previous hourly low without making a top wick first, we'll look for buys on the break of the previous hourly low. Okay. But if we come up, make a top wick right now, we're going to have to see some closures outside the range. Later, Nick. Appreciate you for coming through. Book's voice sounds like a radio DJ. I feel calm. Be even calmer if you could put your trust into the higher time frames. 30 closed bullish here. We're coming down. Chat, if we come down, I think... Excuse me. $7.6. Yeah, I think once we break the previous hourly low, I'll take a buy. I believe. My understanding is we're gonna have to flip here on the hourly and the 30 at some point, and that flip would also be the 4-hour flip, bullish flip to fill the wick. So, if we do drive down back in range, eventually we'll have to make a top wick. Come on down. Because I want the advantage of the flip here, right? And if we break the previous hourly low, the flip is 16 pips, 15 pips here. Why not off the rip? Because we can flip and not really drive. Create a small top wick and continue on down. But flip we must. Either on this candle or the next. Might not even be a flip, might just be a break of the high of the previous candle, which won't really be a flip, but we still have to break the highs here, 2015.4. Also, the 4-hour closed really bullish here, so it can drive down, but I believe we'll have to break the highs before a massive push down. You always wait for the wicks? No. It's on a trade by trade basis. Oh, is this where we're rejecting off? Yeah, that might be it, but I really ideally would like to come down lower. Maybe another 10, 12 pips lower. Yeah, that might have been it. In which case, if we end up driving up here and never come back down to create a steeper bottom wick, we'll wait most likely either the 30 or the hourly here. Because right, the previous hourly still closed bare. Now that we've made a bottom wick and flipped, if we drive up and create a top wick and then come back down for a bottom wick, we can't take the bottom wick entry. Because now we'll have orders that we grabbed. You got Jamaican family? Yeah, I got Bobby's blood running through my veins. What up, monkey? Jamaican American, Jamaican. Does Wicks trade other pairs as well? No, he doesn't. Can we come down here and make a bottom wick? Why do you trade gold? Because I can. You don't need to. You don't need many pairs. You don't need. You can make incredible wealth by trading a couple hours a day and trading only one pair, one session, one trade. You can make a killing. What lot size you trading? I trade 10s, but this morning I had a 12 lot, but typically 10. Hi, beautiful. How are you? Yeah, 2018 here is just a level above which I was going to be off the rip on a 4-hour. Unfortunately, this 4-hour drove up and never closed above there, came back down in range. Wix, did you know I have a goldfish? No, that was on the 4-hour. That was the 4-hour breakdown. So, or now we just need some breaks. That's tough, Eddie. That's crazy. I feel your pain, though. I feel your pain. Wix, are you sick? No, but I got a stuffy nose. Alright, hold on, chat. Oh, sorry, chat. I forgot I had the mute on. A lot depends. So I'm looking for buys on the break of the previous hourly low. The issue here is it's taken a while to get there. Like we're gonna get a 15 closure right now. I wanted it to happen in one 15-minute candle. Chat, give me 1 second. Let's see how we close, because if we close with no bottom wick, it's gonna add some confidence to what we're doing. How do you choose 2013? It's just what the market printed. If you look to the left, if you look previously when we were driving through these ranges in April, that's what it printed. 15 close in 15 seconds. Ooh, this is tough. It closed below the most recent, and it has a bottom wick, so we're likely to retest the bottom of the range here. Thank you for the signals, Mr. GB. Let us know where we can pay you for the signals. We haven't broken the previous hourly low either, right? What up, SL? Is it a buy or sell? That depends on your perspective, sir. I don't take your trades. I like the stream for the heartwarming banter. Thank you. I do my own thing. You do yours. Perfect. That's what I want. No, that's good. Yeah, a lot of people here don't trade the same way as I do, right? But a lot of people show up here for just to, you know, widen their knowledge base, right? To have a deeper understanding or just get a different viewpoint or perspective from the way we trade. Some people like it for the banter, as you do. Some people just show up for the company, you know, because it's boring trading alone, as they say. I'm calling a night. See y'all tomorrow. Later, Eddie. Appreciate you for coming through. Uh-oh, chat. Let's send Eddie off on a high note. Yeah, I already see people wondering why we're not in a trade here. First, we never broke the previous hourly. Um, we never broke the previous hourly low. We also closed below the most recent here on the 15. So my expectation is either the 15 will close below or above this line, and that'll give us an indication of what we're doing. So if it closes above, then it was a fake out. If it closes below, it should kind of fill this range and then make a decision, and that's where we'll make a decision. Really low energy. EU and EJ. Okay, EJ I can understand right now, but EU, it's not the time for that. This stupid cold said no Floridian ever. Is that our 4-hour flip now? After we grab the bottom wick. Seven minutes here for the 30. Quiet night on Zoom. I'm new here. What up, Pozo? Heading off to work. See y'all on Yanez's stream. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Josh. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for supporting Devious and our stream here. Love from Montreal. AW. W. All the French Canadians out there. Did you ever tap into ICT's videos? Never seen a single one. Have no idea what it is, what it looks like. Nothing. Don't know why I got muted. Well, you might have said some ratchet shit, some out-of-pocket shit, or friendly fire. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not looking at sells right now. If you accidentally took a sell, then you should have closed it immediately if it was by accident. Otherwise, something's got me thinking that it wasn't by accident. Alright, so that was our 4-hour flip, the 1-hour flip, right? This is what we wanted. But we wanted a steeper wick. We wanted a break of the previous hourly. And we still might get it, but it's gonna take a little while here. So the 30 is gonna close bull back above range. Let's see. It's a little tough here. The breakdown and the setup was much simpler as we started the stream. Right now it gets a little tougher. Looking to learn your and Don's ways. Yep, just keep showing up. Keep showing up. I don't trust the drive, right? I trusted this. I trusted this part of the candle. This was a given. In here, it's not really a given. Until we close above this area at 2016 flat. I also see no top wick. So we were right on the 4-hour, we just didn't get our bottom wick. It's not bad either, right? Because if the hourly closes bullish, like I said, if we close above 2018.554, I'm taking buys off the rip. Oh, you bought on the last hourly, yeah, last 4 hour too. Yeah, it's 10 pips here. You know, honestly though, we did break the previous 30, I think. Never broke the previous one. Hold on, chat. The kids are crying. That is one disgusting closure, chat. Yeah, I expect us to maybe close doji on here. I don't even expect a closure. Here's what I expect here. All I expect here is this candle to flip bearish at some point. Whether it's now, whether it makes a steeper wick, or it comes all the way up, at some point this candle will flip bearish. After that, oh, there it goes. This is what we can expect. Now that it's flipped bearish, it's a free-for-all, right? We need it to close. But the advantage of having a candle like this is if it came up here and tapped 2018, we understand it needs to flip bearish. So at some point, whether it closes bearish or not, it will flip, and that flip would be your advantage at 18. 18 pips. Should have buy wicks. Well, then I'd be going against my principles. Oh yeah, I was in the middle of rolling this Jamaican joint. Shit. Yeah, no one's stopping you from taking trades, right? I'm sure like when you get a trade in, right? And then you got to run to work in the morning, right after you're trading, you don't get on the highway and just start yelling at every other person on the highway. You fucking losers! You missed the trade. I got in a position. You don't do that, right? Because nobody gives a fuck. So why do you feel the need to do that here? Because nobody gives a fuck. You grow your own flowers? No, ain't nobody got time for that. Right.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
I do enjoy watching people miss their trains. Haha, fucking losers, you missed the fucking D train. Suckers. You're gonna have to jump on the queue and go local. Suckers. Wix moves houses like every month. Yeah. Yeah, this is my 4th house in the last 4 months. That's very true. That's crazy. Yeah, I can't be leaving plans for other people. I can't do the work and then let them enjoy the fruits of my labor. I'll be sitting in the shadows of the trees I plant. Just got 100 pips if you were wondering. Yeah, I really wasn't wondering, honestly. You can live in Hawaii, you just can't trade there. Hold on, chat. Hold on. Yeah, it's bedtime for the kids, and they're by themselves, so I got the older one. She's putting everyone else to bed. And don't get me wrong, Chad, I'm not complaining. I love my kids, but you know, sometimes sometimes it does take me out of my zone. Like it's like right when you're locked in, it's sometimes tough to like switch over to another aspect of your life and then go back. And so, but unfortunately tonight, fortunately tonight they're all with me, but unfortunately that I have to stream at the same time, so it's kind of get to be torn apart. Is that a beer? No. No, it's definitely not a beer. It's just the liquidity that we need to drive. Where Paul, where you been? You know, Paul, you know you're a 6 month flex. Are you in the flex room? I think you're in the flex room. But yeah, yesterday you signed up and it was like Wix 10 6-month member. But you weren't there. Where were you? All right, so the good thing is now, see how the 30 had no top wick? Now we have that top wick, which means the hourly has that top wick. Just paying Wix bills. True. Carly's my grandma. Hey, whoa. She ain't no one's grandma. Someone has to, since the broker ain't. I think it's that time, chat. I think it's time that we call it a stream. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna light this Jamaican motherfucker. Step outside. Holy joint! Oh, damn. It is dark as hell out here. Who turned off the lights, yo? Damn, no trade stream. It's all right. We had a trade yesterday. We had 15 pips yesterday. All right, all right. It's pretty decent too, but really no bottom wick here on the 30. No bottom wick here on the 15. Previous 4-hour bullish. It's can't take sells here just yet. We're holding support. But it's all right. We average a trade every other day, roughly, right? So, say 2 to 3 trades a week. So, nothing wrong with having a day we don't have a trade. I think we had 4 trades last week. But no rush. We're crushing it, right? We're fucking this month. We're at over 20% this month. Almost 25%. I'm off. Catch you tomorrow. Appreciate you. Yes, appreciate you, Mr. Lincoln. No, is it Abe Lincoln or is it like Lincoln Navigator? I've never had a friend named Lincoln. You know, I went to Lincoln High School though. Wix, why I can't watch your live stream when I subscribed you, but when I unsubscribe, I can watch your stream. Kind of weird. What? That makes no sense. No, subscribe to the channel. Matter of fact, you can watch the video and click subscribe below and it'll stay on the video and you'll be subscribed. Lincoln High School definitely had metal detectors. Yes. Yes. And I don't know how, but there would always be 2 or 3 dudes in the gym just shooting around with a fucking, you know, with a piece tucked into the belt. Always. You'd see it take a jump shot, the shirt come on, be a piece of it. I'm like, yo, what fucking entrance do you fucking parachute into the school? How the fuck you get in here with that? Like, are you DB Cooper? The fuck? Parachuting into the high school? Damn. You mean weapons? Yeah. No. Xboxes. DB shooter. Sorry, I'm not English native. Well, neither am I, but I figured it out. What's the plan? Sell or buy? The plan is to follow the plan. I guess some words you're using. Sorry, don't be sorry. We troll here as a profession. We are streamers first and trolls second. What's your thoughts? Still looking for a position? Yes, I am, but not for long. I just don't like how the candles are printing here side by side. We're not driving anywhere. We're not breaking out. We're just tapping the range up, range down. And it's not that big of a range, maybe 30, 40 pips, but I need to see break of lows, break of high. We haven't broken structure, but we've just ranged here in a small range. Good night from Norway. Thank you guys for coming through. I know, you know, once in a while, you know, we can come off offensive or rude, but it's the internet's, it's the Google's chat, right? I'm just a dude on the internet, and we need to pass the time by somehow without being impulsed into positions. So, no, don't be offended at anything you hear or see here, and try not to be offensive, and we will have a great community going forward. First time here, definitely most productive time in a while during this live. Well, I appreciate you for coming through. Appreciate everyone for coming through, as always. It's fucked up. You guys see this shit? Someone was like, "Yo, can anyone Photoshop this Civic to be black?" And someone photoshopped the Civic robbing a store. That's fucked up. That's crimey. Oh man. They put a bandana and a chain on a Civic and put a gun on the wheel. That's so stupid. Ah, shit. Yo, what's the deal, Captain? How you doing? Captain's like, I don't know if I want to be on here. I don't know. What up, man? How are you? Can you hear us?
Wait, can you hear me?
Yeah, now we hear you. There you go. Your mic's low, but it's all right. We hear you. Got any trades today? Great talk. Hey, Chastity in the house. What's the deal? Thank you for coming through. Yeah, we don't hear you, Kevin. We didn't hear you for a second. Mike doing that thing that your mic did. Yeah, it's unfortunately it's contagious. My bad. Well, my mic's bad. All right, here is what I will say. You have chat. What are wicks on smaller time frames? What's a wick on a smaller time frame? Range. Yes. Range. 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 We are ranging from here to here. It's about 30 pips of range here. Unless you're playing this on the 1 minute or the 5. You see? This falls in line. Look at the 5 range. This is exactly what it is. Right here. Right? So we're in this. If you can understand that all these wicks is just a smaller time frame range, you need to get out of this range. Because alright, so if you're stuck in a range, it's an indication of a lack of volume. Uh-oh. Chastity in the house. Or is it Cassidy? I thought you were a woman. My bad. I said Chastity like you're a woman. I was like, hey, how you doing, Chastity? Getting catfished over here, chat. Hang on. What's up? You can unmute if you want. But hold on, give me a sec before you unmute. So this range, right? If we're stuck in this range, in the smaller time frame range, we don't have volume and we don't have direction. Two things that are a must before we get in the trade. And we don't have either. And since we don't have volume or direction, we need to get that in order for our plan to work out. And the indication of that, typically the catalyst for the next volume will be pre-London, right? London Open. So for that reason, I'm gonna have to stay out. So what's up? Is it Cassidy or Chastity? Or what do we call you? You can unmute.
It's Chastity.
It's Chastity. Where are you from?
But I'm Blue. Oh, we're from Texas though.
Oh, you're from Texas. All right. Yeah, all right. You're Blue?
Blue?
Yes, sir. Glue.
Oh,
Every day with glue.
Oh, all right. I thought you said
Oh.
blue. I'm about to say double D double die. I'm Blue.
The guy that I troll. Gotcha.
Blue with the face reveal. No, I think he said glue, like with a G. Like a glue stick. Oh, he's using the lady Zoom account. Alright, yeah. That's happened with somebody here before. Someone was on their girl's account and the entire chat was like, hey, how you doing? Yeah, because even in the picture I see a girl, right? In the thing. I'm glue, dabba dee dub. Word. Did you know that Charmin are squeezably soft? Yeah. Sure. Chad be pulling the Wix 10 out, word. Angle soft is better. Wix stream broke my mic. This is an outrage. Well, you know what you gotta do? You gotta show up to the in-person. Just ask Bougie. His laptop broke. He showed up to the in-person and got a PC. Got a 4070 out of it. Yeah, just do what I did with my old mic. Do you guys see the live footage of what I did with my old one? I stomped on it like this shit stole my money. RDX 47? Yeah, that's what Bougie got. Did you know that if Puffs came with a target, there would be a professional nose blowing league? Right? Would you guys not be competitive over blowing your nose if the tissue had a target on it? I think there would be some new competition breaking out. Be like, damn, bullseye. Use my shirt anyway. Get your shirt from Target with their logo and you good. Be like, you got some shit on your shirt. No. That just means I got good aim, bro. Snot's red, 10 points. True. Sam Sullick? No. No clue. TVS meetup in Zimbabwe. I've been wanting to go on a safari. I'd be down. Alright, we just had the hourly close, and that closed like ass and feet as well. Right, because it closed doji, so you can pretty much disregard it, and he's like you, but commentates on gym instead. I mean, we can do some gym commentary. What does that mean, he's like you? Because typically when people say he's like you, it means like, oh, he got dreads and he's also white. Or he also smokes weed. Or he's also very sarcastic. Oh, YouTuber talks similar. He white and got hair. Crazy. He could have a nice smile. Aw, thank you. White with hair? You never see that. He's just like you, 48 kids, and still finds the time to stream. Don't have a cam on this computer. It's alright. It's alright, Pozo. Much love, good luck on trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna head off here too, chat, because the market's just not set up for a position for me right now. I will need to break out of this nonsense, and most likely I wanted to see what the 4-hour will close like, but I don't think I'm gonna trade tonight. I think I'm gonna, as soon as I'm off of here, I'm gonna make sure the kids are asleep and I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna get knocked because I'm tired. I'm tired. I slept for 1 hour last night. 1 hour. And scalp 1.5% on the account, so I'm just sitting here waiting. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, we'll be on with, look, Inez will be streaming, I think, at 2:30 a.m. Eastern. And then I think Husky will be doing pre-NY, post-London, or whichever one you want to call it. And we'll be on 8 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, right? Same time, same place. And I expect to get a trade in tomorrow. Just probability-wise, we don't usually go 2 days in a row without a trade, but not Husky, Huss. He'll do. He doesn't. I don't think he trades on there, right? He'll just do a breakdown, and then we'll trade on Donvo's stream, and then. But I don't know. I don't want to say for a fact. I don't think he's trading on there. And yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern. Chat. Bring your brain. Make sure you bring your protractors tomorrow to the New York session stream, and bring a good attitude and your logic, right, and common sense to the Asian session at 8 p.m. Eastern tomorrow. All right, mods, thank you so much for coming through and helping me control this and run the stream, patrol the mean streets of the Asian session stream, Asian session chat. Yo, Zoom, thank you so much. You guys are coming through night in, night out, same faces, and I know a lot of you are getting, I'm getting a lot of good, like a lot of sweet messages, a lot of nice messages from the members. So I appreciate you guys. Love and wisdom to you all. I will see you guys tomorrow, 8 p.m. Eastern, same time, same place. You already know every day we do this live on YouTube. And just like that, another Asian session is in the books. Good night, everybody.